Okay, so we have an update with the Knapford station, but hear me out. This is supposed to be a platform, so it will raise the canopy and the column supports. So it's just a simple test. I tried to make these, but they look kind of very um, too skinny, maybe. So I made another one a little bit thicker columns. I know the shoe it's kind of too big, so I'm gonna resize the shoe, but that's pretty much how it looks. So we might have a clearance. I need to adjust something with the tracks, and maybe I need to make it a little taller. Now the front obviously is not round, right there. It is not round column supports, but actually probably I'm going to make this a medium size, let's see, side by side, the round ones, those right there. Probably they need to be skinny, so I'm gonna choose maybe between these two columns. I'm gonna pick a middle size between the thickness of these columns, the small and the thin one and the fat one. I think I'm gonna redesign and make it a little between the thick one and the skinny one, making a little column that is not so thick, not so thin. I also need to adjust. So the thing is that the platform will will lift the Knapford station. So I know it's there's one already for sale, but I'm doing some a prototype different. So I'm trying to make it one for myself to recreate. Basically, what we're trying to do is we're trying to recreate some of the videos. That's what the idea. That's why we're doing this. Not because we want to sell these to the public, but in the near future, hopefully we can make the files available. But I'm running some tests and materials that companies are sending me. I got a lot of companies give me a contact. They sending me some resin and filaments. So I will give you an update as soon as I get them delivered. But as for right now, what actually we're going to do is, since we have the resin 3D printer, we're going to do the couplers for, the ones that are for Emily, Hank. Those are different couplers. And I think they sent us the ABS resin, so they will support the stress, because that's the main reason, ABS resin. But for now, probably, like I say, I'm running some tests for the new Knapford station. We're redesigning, we're making. Obviously, the front will be square column supports, and from there, the other columns are round. I try to give them some sort of close to the look of columns used on the Knapford station. So that's where we are right now. I thought I made a mistake at the beginning, but it's not about the middle columns, round columns, but those are over there. And obviously, I need to make the shoes for these little bit smaller squares, way too big. I just resized it after this one. I just increased the width for those columns. And I don't know if you've seen the previous video. I made I 3D printed this. This is the wall clock. So I think I saw it somewhere over there. There are different versions, because there's one version that is against the wall flat, and there's another version that is like this, against the wall in an angle like this. So I'll give you an update as soon as I continue with because right now I need to make the platform so it will raise the whole thing, the whole canopy and everything, and we still have room for the tracks. So with the tracks on, maybe, yeah, we still have clearance with no tracks. The platforms need to be a little bit taller than the tracks, just a little bit. Okay, I'll keep running more tests and I'll let you know.